Hello, my name is Susant Limbu, and in this short video I'll be explaining the code that I have written for the assignment 1. We begin by welcoming the user to the program. After that, the user will be asked for two input, which is his first name and his age. After displaying the user's first name and his age, the program continues. The program will prompt the user if he wishes to continue or not. This part mainly involves with the checking the user's input. If the user says he wishes to continue by gives the input to EAY, then the check condition is set to true, so program continues. If the check condition is not true, that is the user input some other wrong input, or let's just say user, instead of saying yes or no, y/n, user input like o, a, e, f, g, y, e, s or something like that, then the program condition will be at false, because the if condition is not met, then the program will not continue to the next part. So the user will be prompted with then program exited on user request or invalid request. While the check condition is set to true, which is like the users confirm that he wishes to continue for the program, user will be provided with a list of options he can get, which is do you want to get a list of installed software, or his hardware information, or the hard disk available spaces. And once the user gives an input, the input is tallied to each of these options. Whenever a condition is met, let's just say user selected a number 1 to continue to get his installed software list, then the program will get the installed software list from the system itself and output to this location specified on this. After getting the output into the file path, the user will be prompted with a message saying that his request was successful and the output was saved to the location mentioned over here. So the user can go to that space and check if his output is not there, if it is or it is not there. So other than that, the same thing goes with the other two options also. By saying like get a hardware information, the hardware information of the laptop or the desktop will be stored to the file location over here, and the user will be prompted with that information. Same goes with the hard disk space. And every time this user matches the condition, or let's just say user selects one of these three options, the check condition will be set to false. So once the condition is set to false, the program will exit. And if there is an invalid number, or let's just say user selected, instead of 1 2 3, he selected 4 5 6, or let's 7 8 9, then the user will prompt then the user will be prompted with this error message. Then he would be asked to try again. This program will continue on run, this part will continue on running as long as the user does not select one of these three options. Once he select all these three options, the program will exit. So first, let's just say this is the output, where all the output is supposed to be shown after the program is completed. Let's just run the program and see how it works. So the first part, the program will ask for my first name, which is Susant, and my age is 25. So the program prompted that my first name is Susant and I'm 25 years old. So do you wish to, then the program prompted me with the question like, do you wish to continue this program to the next part? So I say yes. After getting the response, the program asks me to select any of the tasks I wish to perform. Let's just say I selected by mistake, I selected an option which is not on the screen. So the program prompted that the invalid number, the number I've selected is invalid and please try again. So for this program, I'll say let's just get with the list of the installed software, and once I select, it says it's working on that list. It's trying to get that list to the output over here. So once that is done, it should give me a prompt saying that my request was success. So let's just wait a few seconds for that to happen, because the software list is a very long list and it takes some time to compile all the list and put it in the Word file. So yeah, here it is. He says that the request was successfully completed and output has been saved to the software disk, and this is the location. And once I open this file, I can see that all the list has been installed on this. Sorry, all the list has been appended to this list. So once the program exited, let's say if I try again. My first name is Susant, my age is 25, and I wish to if I say I don't wish to continue, then the program will exit. So first name Susant is 25, do you wish to continue? Yes. And if I say let's just get the hard disk information, as you can see here, there is no any other list with the hard disk information. So I'll say get the list of the hard disks, then it says your request was successfully completed and the output has been saved to e output hard disk.txt, which is the same location over e/output plus hard disk space. So once I open this, I can see that available all the used space and the free available space of all my hard disks spaces. So that's all for this program. So that's all for this video. Thank you very much.